Good day and welcome to Health Corner. Today, June 14th, people around the world are recognizing the invaluable contribution of voluntary blood donors. This annual observance highlights the critical need for safe blood and blood products, while honoring the millions of individuals who donate blood to help save lives. Health experts remind us that blood is essential for emergency care, surgeries, childbirth, cancer treatment, and the management of many medical conditions. Yet, blood supplies often depend entirely on the generosity of voluntary donors. As we commemorate World Blood Donor Day, the message is clear. One donation can make the difference between life and death for someone in need. And in the light of this year's celebrations, a 2-minute video has been making waves across the internet. Let's watch.
Bro, what are your plans for Saturday? I was thinking we could hang out and catch up.
I'd love to, but I won't be available.
Oh? What's keeping you busy?
I'm going for a blood donation drive.
Really? What does that mean?
I'm going to donate some blood.
Wow, that's impressive. Is there kind of a special program happening?
Well, in a couple of days, it will be Blood Donor Day, and usually every time it's celebrated, a call is made for willing participants in what is called a blood donor drive.
That sounds impressive. What made you decide to participate?
Ever since I learned that a single blood donation can help multiple patients, accident victims, mothers during childbirth, people undergoing surgery, and those with certain medical conditions. It felt like a simple way to make a difference. Also, did you know some people lose their lives not because there's an incurable disease, but because of lack of blood?
Really? This happens?
Yes, it does. Most of us don't know until someone we know needs blood. Hospitals depend on voluntary donors, and shortages can put lives at risk.
That's true. And to be honest, done people are afraid of donating blood. They think it will drastically reduce their blood level.
I've heard that too. It's one of the most common misconceptions. But the truth is that for healthy individuals, the body naturally replaces the plasma, which is the liquid blood, within a day or two, and the blood cells are gradually replenished afterward.
Really? So donating blood doesn't leave you permanently short of blood?
Not at all. Many people don't realize that the body is constantly producing new blood cells. That's why healthy donors can safely donate at recommended intervals.
Interesting. I guess a lot of people avoid donating simply because they don't know that. How long does the process take?
Not very long. A little screening, the donation itself, and some time to rest afterward. In just about an hour, you could potentially help save lives.
Wow, just that?
Yes.
You know what? Maybe I should join you.
Oh, you would? Sounds great.
Yeah. When you put it this way, donating blood sounds like one of the simplest ways to save a life.
And since we can't all be healthcare professionals, in our own little way, we can still save lives.
Yes. I just wished many people knew about this.
Same here. But I believe we can help by sharing the facts we know, and maybe this can help others overcome their fear.
Yeah, it really is that fear.
Exactly, but fear should not stop anyone from doing the right thing.
I'm so glad we are doing the right thing.
As we've just seen, blood donation is more than a medical procedure. It is an act of humanity, compassion, and hope. Every unit of blood donated has the potential to save lives, support families, and give patients a second chance at life. This World Blood Donor Day, health authorities and blood banks around the world are encouraging eligible individuals to become regular blood donors and help ensure that safe blood is available whenever and wherever it is needed. To all blood donors, we say thank you. Your generosity continues to make a difference every day. I'm Ada Lucy, and this has been our special World Blood Donor Day report. Thank you for watching, and remember, give blood, give hope. Together we save lives.